We are going to talk about three main rivers. Can you tell me what is the longest river in Sri Lanka?
Mahavali.
Mahavali. Show me Mahavali river here.
Yeah.
It's nearly 347 kilometers, I think. You can exactly find the distance from Google, but I think nearly 300 kilometers are there. There is misconception here among Sri Lankan people. This river is starting from where? Adams Peak. Is this starting from Adams Peak?
Yes.
Because of that small poem,
Yeah.
Mahavali Kalani Malavekalu. All are thinking this is also starting from that Adams Peak,
Yeah.
but it's not starting from Adams Peak. Adams Peak is here, you can see.
With the sun.
Yes, this is Adams Peak. Mahavali is starting from the waterfall near Horton Place, Kirigal Potta Mountain. This is that Kirigal Potta Mountain. Show me. This is that Kirigal Potta Mountain. In this Kirigal Potta Mountain, after combining Kotmali Oya and Hatton Oya, you can see this Mahavali river is starting point of Mahavali river is that place.
But there
You can see how is the distance she is traveling.
Like this.
You can see what is this place? Kotmale Reservoir, and it supplies water to Victoria, Randenigala and Rantambe also. Here, this is Kotmale. This is the main reservoir, Victoria, Randenigala and Rantambe. After that, it is traveling up to Trincomalee. This is Trincomalee.
We can't see.
This is one bay in one famous bay in Sri Lanka. You know that Bengal Bay? I am always telling there is pressure in Bengal Bay. Close to India, there is Bengal Bay. If there is pressure in Bengal Bay, what is happening to Sri Lanka? There is a storm, no? Last week we saw it, no? Then this is close to Bengal Bay. This river is falling into this Trincomalee Bay to our Indian Ocean. After starting from this Kirigal Potta, where did you see this Mahavali river? In Kandy? In Kandy area, Horton Place. Didn't you see? Where? While you are visiting that garden? What is that garden name? Page? In Kandy? In Peradhani garden?
It was raining and we was eating out there.
While you are traveling in Peradhani, around the Peradhani garden, there were one river. Do you also remember the river in Peradhani garden?
Yeah. No,
This is
yeah.
Mahavali. It's traveling to that famous city, Kandy, Kundasale and Peradhani campus. It's traveling across these places, and this is not having this is not a deep river, not like Kaluganga and that Kalani river. actually it's very interesting. You can go inside of this river also. It's having very sandy surface inside the river. All over there, it shows that peach color, yellow color water here. In Kalu river, you have seen that black water, no? Not like that. This Mahavali river water color is nearly yellowish. After that, it is traveling after passing the Kandy. What are the places it's traveling? Somavati, Mavillaru, Polonnaruwa. You can see Polonnaruwa here. After passing Mahiyanganaya, we are taking sands from this Mahavali river from Mahiyanganaya area to construct buildings also. Then what is this? Dehi Attakandiya, then Kankhaveli, Polonnaruwa, Megaswava, then famous place Somavati. This is famous temple named Somavati. Then there is again Mavillaru also. Kandakadu. After passing Kandakadu, you can see it enters to sea. This is Trincomalee. Can you see Trincomalee? Can you identify where is Trincomalee in Sri Lankan map? Can you show me quickly? Show me the Trincomalee quickly. How you are going to show it? There is a bay. Bay means that the sea, Indian Ocean, this sea water come inside the land. Trincomalee. You can read the name of Trincomalee also. Show me Trincomalee. 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 Remember the name of Mahavali also. It's starting from this Kirigal Potta mountain, then passing the Kandy, then after that it's arriving to so many places. Polonnaruwa, Mavillaru, Somavati, Trincomalee, Kandakadu, and next Trincomalee. This is that bay. Again it enters to Bengal Bay. You can see Bay of Bengal. In other part, other side, there is India here. In between India and Sri Lanka, in this Trincomalee side and India, there is a bay called Bengal Bay. Bengal Bay enters to Sri Lanka from Trincomalee. Remember the name of Trincomalee and Mahavali and this Kirigal Potta. Also, other than that, remember these two reservoirs named Victoria, Kotmale, Randhenigala and Rantambe also. Then after that, second one is Kalani river. Kalani. Show me Colombo here. From Colombo to this side, we are in Moratuwa. No? Can you say Moratuwa? Moratuwa. M. Starting from M. Here. Moratuwa. Then Colombo is beyond the, not Kalani is beyond the Colombo. You saw, do you remember that water world? Where was that water world? It was in Kalani area. In Kalani area, you have gone there, no? Water world? Kalani, it enters to the sea from this Kalani. It is starting from where? That poem? No, not from that poem. Mahavali. Kalani, Valave, Kalu. One is Kalani. This is Kalani River. Kalani River is doing main job here. This Mahaveli River also doing big service to our country. What is that big service? They are supplying water to. She's supplying water to these reservoirs. Other than that, it helps for cultivation and supplying drinking water and washing water also. Then, like that, this Kalani River also supplying drinking water for Colombo people. In all over the Colombo area, nearly majority of people drinking Kalani River water. Remember that. But this is the most polluted river in Sri Lanka. Polluted, do you know what is the meaning of polluted? Pollution. Pollution? You don't know? Your teacher have taught about pollution. I know that. Polluted water. There were so many dirty things, waste water, so many waste, solid waste, garbage. So many things are there in Kalani water because this is close to Colombo. Colombo is the capital city of Sri Lanka now. Therefore, so many factories are located close to Colombo. Mainly, Katunayaka zone is in Colombo. Ekala zone is in Colombo, close to this river. Close to Kalani River, there is Sidu area, Katunayaka area, Ekala area. There are so many factories are there. In these factories, they have to release water into environment after treating properly. But in daytime, they are starting their wastewater plant. But in night time, they are releasing their wastewater secretly to this. So many factories are located close to Kalani River. Therefore, to make drinking water also, they have to do water treatment for us. Then there is main water treatment plant named Ambatale water treatment plant. They are treating pure water for our drinking. Kalani, remember Kalani River is supplying drinking water for us. This is the length of distance of this river is nearly 145 kilometer. This is traveling from starting from Adams Peak and traveling through Colombo and Kalani area. Then what is the next river we have to learn? Not Mahaveli, Kalani, Valave is in Madara.
Now we are going to learn about this one.
Kalutara. Can you show me Kalutara here? In this coastal area, you can meet Kalutara.
Kalutura.
First find Colombo, then Moratua, after Panadura. Show me Kalutara. Starting from K. Kalutara. It enters to the sea in Kalutara. You can see two main long bridges are there in Kalutara. Have you seen that Kalutara temple? You have gone there, you don't remember that. That is close to Kalutara temple. You can see Kaluganga. Have you seen Kaluganga?
No.
While you are traveling to Galle, we are passing these two main bridges.
Bridges?
Yes, there are two bridges are there in Kalutara. This is Kaluganga. That means that river watercolor is normally blackish water. I have seen blackish water there in Kaluganga. Then river also starting from this Adams Peak. While you are climbing up to Adams Peak, there is one place mentioned about mention that name as Kalu Ganga. There is that type of statue while you are traveling there. Then traveling through that Singharaja forest also, it's traveling across that Ratnapura, Kuruvita, then Horana and Kalutara. Because of this Kaluganga, these people are having flood every year. Every year in this Ratnapura and Kalutara people have to face big flood due to this Kalu river, overflowing of this Kalu river. These are the main 3 rivers in Sri Lanka. You should know how to write these 3 names: Mahavali, Kalani and Kalu. Then you can see our Sri Lankan map here. Thank you very much for watching us.